want to welcome to the Financial Education Services 1 to 10 company overview. Let's get started. Now, why FES? Well, think about it. How many people have less than perfect credit or have debt and no idea how to pay it off, don't have their personal and financial affairs in order, dislike their current job and are looking for a career change? Or how many people need to make more money, can't afford an annual vacation, aren't where they want to be in life, or just want a solution and a plan of action? Well, why is this? Well, it's because our formal education didn't teach us about personal finances or success. Now, I want to introduce you to FES. It was founded in 2004. It's headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan, have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, over 100% in annual sales growth. They're a debt-free company, and the same key executives that started the company have been there since the company's inception, and that's Mike Toloff and Paramel Nike. FES offers what they call their protection plan membership. It's a plan that protects your identity, your credit, family, finances, lifestyle, and future. Let's take a look at what's in your protection plan membership. It has an emphasis on credit. Today, our credit score is like a vital sign. It's being monitored at all times. It can impact insurance premiums and interest rates. You can be denied the ability to rent, purchase, get a credit card, or even employment. Over the course of your lifetime, less than an excellent credit rating could cost you over $200,000. Incredible. There are 5 common myths about your credit. Myth number 1 is that credit agencies are empowered with some kind of governmental authority. Well, is that true or false? Well, credit agencies actually have no legal authority at all. They're simply private companies who are in the business of selling credit information. Myth number 2, the credit agencies are required by law to keep derogatory items on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. Well, there's actually no law that the credit agencies report anything on you at all. They're required by law to automatically remove all derogatory items older than 7 years, student loans and more, or in the case of a bankruptcy, 10 years. Myth number 3, the information on your credit report cannot be changed. It's illegal or immoral to have the information on your credit report altered or removed. Well, the opposite is true under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Both the federal and various state laws require that items be removed if they are not 100% accurate or cannot be verified in a timely manner. Myth number 4, paying a past due debt removes it from your credit report, right? Well, just because you pay an old debt does not change or erase the fact that at one time you were not paying on it as you agreed. Now, can this record be changed? Absolutely. And myth number 5, inquiries are not derogatory and will not affect your credit standing. Well, anything that erodes your financial credibility is damaging to your credit standing. In the case of inquiries, 1 or 2 is not too bad, but any more than that, and they begin to tell a story of their own. Any prospective credit grantor will look at your credit report and think that you're desperate for credit. And removed using Fair Credit Reporting Act, it cannot come back. Now, you can restore your score. The Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971 gives Americans the right to dispute and/or investigate any item on their credit report. Inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items such as late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, judgments, repossessions, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, and many other items can be removed from your credit file or can be updated to reflect paid as agreed. Now, as far as credit restoration with our company, we have a nonprofit group called United Credit Education Services, or UCES. They have almost a 15-year track record. There's close to 1 million derogatory items that have been deleted from people's credit reports, tens of thousands of satisfied clients, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. Now, we have other valuable credit building services like Positive Credit Builder. You have recommendations for adding positive trade lines to your credit profile. Debt Zero, an interactive online debt payoff system and budgeting tool. Credit Attorney, you can feel at ease knowing you have a defense team on your side if and when you really need it. And credit monitoring, access to your credit scores and credit reports 24/7. Let's look at some documentation here. Yvette Reed out of New Jersey said, in just 2 months, my credit score increased to the point that my car insurance premium was lowered by $2,000 per year. Amazing. Brian Faluca out of Florida said that my credit score went from a 586 to a 748, allowing me to purchase a new car with no money down and a very low monthly payment. Johnny and Sandra Moeller out of Dallas, Texas. After having our bankruptcy removed, we were able to purchase a home with a low fixed interest rate, which saved us almost $1,000 per month. And Vinny Ho out of California said, after just 45 days, I had a tax lien and a foreclosure deleted from my credit reports. These are real people, folks. People that have gotten results with FES, unlike many other companies that in the credit industry that don't deliver what they promise. Other protection plan services that we have is LifeLock, the #1 group in identity theft protection, as well as you can have a will, trust, power of attorney prepared for you, or that you prepare yourself with FES's help, as well as Financial Lockbox. It's a program developed by attorneys. You organize all of your personal and financial information in this virtual password protected safety deposit box. There's easy to use services with client support available. Now, we also have money saving benefits, prescription discounts ranging from 10 to 85%. You can use your own FES discount travel portal, and you can shop online at many of your favorite retailers and get significant cash back. And you have insurance solutions too, because you have access to experienced insurance professionals for all your insurance needs. So, like to become a customer? Get help with your credit through Credit Restoration, Credit Builder, Credit Attorney, and Smart Credit, as well as all these other valuable services to help get your entire financial life in order. LifeLock, FES Debt Zero, My Care Plan, which is the will, trust, and power of attorney, Financial Lockbox, life insurance, and your money saving benefits. If you'd like all those things in your protection plan membership, it is a one-time $99 activation fee plus an $89 per month for a total upfront investment to get started for $188 only. And there are no contracts, folks. So that's how you get started as a customer. Now, number 3, I want to introduce you to the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation. Each protection plan membership donates $2 each month to the YFL, which educates young people from ages 8 to 18 on matters of personal finance, things that didn't happen to us when we were growing up in school. Financial literacy in schools across America is taught, and they provide annual college scholarships. The YFL awards hundreds of thousands of dollars in college tuition each year. Already in 2017, $180,000 has been granted for college scholarships. Now, as far as income and lifestyle, how many people today control their income, their schedule, their advancement, benefits, retirement, and future? Not very many, right? Would you like to help others with their credit and take advantage of the FES income opportunity? Well, you just simply enroll and become an agent, an FES agent. You get the protection plan membership as we've already described. Plus, you have a professional back office. You get to start building a team of agents, and you earn residuals and bonuses. For a one-time activation fee of just $199, that's $100 more than it costs to get started as a customer, plus that monthly membership fee of $89 for a total upfront of $288. Now, we also have what we call our Strive for 5 program, and that's incredible because when you have enrolled, when you have 5 active customers and or agents, it can be a mixture of both. At $100 each coming in, your $89 monthly protection plan membership is free. That's right, folks. Your $89 a month goes away when you have 5 active customers and or agents. Plus, you earn $500 in commissions for helping those people get started in their own business or get started as a customer. Now, 6, we have what we call residual income, which is for each protection plan sale, you can earn $100 on each customer that you help get started. Plus, you earn a $12 monthly residual income from those customers. Now, We also have what we call our overriding residual income as you build your team of agents. As you can see, going 6 levels down there, you have a different amount residual that you're earning at each level. And if you have this many people, assuming that each agent refers 2 other agents who each acquires 10 protection plan memberships, well, here's the total number of PPMs that you have at each level, which means that you are overriding 1,260 protection plan memberships for a total residual income of $3,140. Now, next comes the customer acquisition bonus, or CAB, and rank advancement. Now, these different boxes represent the different levels that are in the FES business, starting with an agent. And when an agent helps someone get started in the business as an agent, they earn $100. Now from there, when their group volume hits $1,600, they move to the level of field trainer, and now they can start earning up to $160 for each agent sponsored into the business. And then it just moves up from there. When you reach senior field trainer, you can earn up to $240. Then you reach sales director, it's up to $380, then $430 and $475 as an executive sales director. And then you move to the levels of vice president, and you start earning up to $500, $510, $520, all the way up to $550 at the highest rank advancement level, called senior executive vice president. It's an incredible increase in the commissions as you help folks get started in their own business and help them to succeed. Now, FES has what they call their R&R club, and that's where you build towards rest, relaxation, and retirement. It's an incredible club to be a part of, because it starts at the very first level. The company starts to pay up to a $600 monthly car payment. They like to focus on Audis, but you could get something other than an Audi if you really wanted to. Now, next after that, you move to where you earn in one-time $10, $25, and $50,000 cash bonuses. The next level in the R&R Club bumps you up to a $1,500 expense allowance, which includes that $600 Audi payment. Imagine a $1,500 expense allowance for one or more cars. Next, it goes to where the company will pay $5,000 towards your monthly house payment. Now, you might ask, well, what if your house payment's only $3,000 a month? Well, the additional $2,000 they apply directly towards the principal to help get that house paid off that much more quickly. Next comes in the R&R clubs comes the monthly retirement bonuses up to $25,000, and then you move up there to monthly lifetime bonuses between $100,000 and $250,000. It's truly incredible. The R&R club total benefits are worth over $3 million annually. This is where you begin to reach true wealth and freedom. Now, let's look at some results here from real people. Wayman and Jean Kempson, right here in Atlanta, Georgia. As real estate brokers, we depended on closings, and sometimes we waited weeks and even months, causing us tremendous stress. Now FES is our full-time career, and the FESA, which is the academy, the training program, has paved the way to regional vice president and the R&R club. Our retirement and future is set. Warren Bowerfield out of Minnesota says, as a business owner, I was watching my income go backwards due to a changing industry, and my financial future was in jeopardy. FES was just what I needed, and with the trainings of FESA combined with hard work, led me to vice president and the R&R club. With this amount of money, my future is no longer a concern. Or David Moon out of Virginia. He was a radio broadcaster. He says, while it may sound good, I could barely make ends meet. I was frustrated and felt like my dreams were gone. FES got me out of broadcasting, and using the FESA system and trainings helped me to become a regional vice president and R&R club member. Now I finally have my dreams back. And Jill Halbright out of California was working 70 hours a week in retail, and it left me stressed, frustrated, and in need of a change. With all the training and personal growth, not only am I regional vice president and R&R club member, making more money than ever before, but now I'm living life on my terms. Now, the training and support that FES Academy provides is truly incredible. There's online training, conference call training, local trainings, regional one-day basic trainings, regional two-day advanced trainings, and then a national three-day leadership training. So Now it's just a matter of identifying what your level of interest is. You may have excellent credit, have all your personal affairs in order, and have a successful career, but you could provide referrals to the person that's introduced you to this. You may be interested in the protection plan membership as a customer, or you may be interested in that as well as the financial opportunity and becoming an agent. Whichever area or level of interest that